Hey everyone, Micah here with Electrek, and today we're reviewing the Wildeway FW11S, a big little folding e-bike with a giant battery. Let's check it out. The Wildeway FW11S is more than just a big battery, which we'll get to in a moment. It's also a surprisingly powerful and fast electric bike. They claim 30 mph top speeds thanks to that 750 watt rear motor that peaks at 1000 watts of peak power. Though that speed might be a little bit optimistic. I seem to get up to around 28 miles an hour, though at least I could do it on throttle or pedal assist. I'm not exactly heavy at 150 pounds or 68 kilos, so perhaps that higher speed they measured is with an even smaller rider than me. But they get pretty close at 28, so I'm pretty happy with how fast the bike goes. And with any fast and powerful e-bike, you'll want a big battery so that you don't drain the pack in just a few miles. When it comes to the battery, Wildeway definitely did not skimp. Now, some electric bikes have small batteries. That's okay, maybe they have other redeeming qualities. Some e-bikes have big batteries. But this e-bike, this one has a massive battery. This is a 48 volt and 32 amp hour battery. That is 1,536 watt hours of capacity, or about 3 times a typical e-bike battery. That is crazy. The real highlight of this bike though is its performance. That speed and the big battery are the huge takeaways here, and they contribute to the $1,400 price. In fact, that's a really good price for such a high speed and big battery e-bike, which begs the question, how did they do it? Well, basically they kinda cut corners in other places. Like, look at these cheap plastic fenders. They're only mounted at one point, so they kinda flop around a lot when you hit bumps, and they make a racket when they smack on the tires. Next, check out the adjustable brake levers. It's nice that they even have them, that you can adjust the lever distance from the bars, like if you have small hands, but the screw wobbles around and it also makes a racket, and it just feels a bit janky. It's little things like that, but they contribute to a less than professional feeling overall. That being said, nothing seems overly problematic in terms of operation. It's just small stuff like that that doesn't feel quite top-notch. But you still get good hydraulic disc brakes for powerful stopping. You still get 7 gears in back if you actually care about pedaling, which, let's face it, a lot of people buying these high-speed throttle-controlled e-bikes probably don't care about pedaling. And you still get other nice features like LED lighting and a color LCD screen. There's even another frame style available if you want a step over instead of a step-through frame, depending on what fits you better. And of course, both are folding bikes, so you can fold down the handlebars to make the bike shorter in storage, or you can completely fold it in half to get the bike to fit into a car trunk or an even tighter area. Now at 77 pounds, it's not a lightweight e-bike, so good luck carrying it around even when it's in its folded form, but what did you expect when the battery alone weighs 20 pounds and the rest of the bike isn't light either? But all told, for $1,400 it's not a bad deal. I like the rear seat and the foot pegs for carrying a passenger, I like the performance that enables you to ride fast or far or both, and I even like the bright color of the bike, both from a fun and a safety standpoint. But while it isn't a fancy electric bike or even that high quality, I can see a case for the Wildeway FW11S. I enjoyed testing it, and I'm pretty sure you'll enjoy it too, at least if fat and heavy high-power e-mopeds are your thing. Thanks for watching everyone. We hope you enjoyed that review of the Wildeway FW11S e-bike. If you did, why don't you give this video a thumbs up? And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our future electric vehicle videos. We'll see you here next time.